Good morning! It's December 8th today. We are going out for grocery with my daughter. I'm here at my porch. I'm trying to check my plants again. They are okay. There is my citrus fruits. Always bear fruit for us. There you go. There are the fruits. We have free citrus fruit. There is my lucky coins. That's my lucky coins. I always leave it here whole day, whole year. I'm just waiting for my daughter to get changed so we can go out. I will do a bit of my exercise while waiting for her. I do this for 150 every day. This is good for arms. And I do this for my arms, stretching. This is my exercise for the arms. I do this too. It's good for the arms. And this one, I do this. It's good for the arms. And it is good for the arms too. I do this 150 or 50. It depends on how I feel. And because I have a book, it says about stretching exercise. I have a book like that. I'm still checking it in my cabinet. That's why it's very effective. Doing stretching is, it says there in the book that it keeps you younger. Maybe that is one reason. I'm 69 years old now, but I still look a little bit younger. The stretching exercise is very effective. I've been doing that since I was a teenager. That's why stretching exercise is very effective. Thanks for watching. We're going out now with my daughter. Bye.